In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a video in Canva. If you've ever wanted a clip to play backward for a cool transition, a reveal, or a creative effect, this walkthrough will show you the exact path inside Canva to make it happen smoothly and reliably. First, open your design. You can start a new video project or open an existing one, either works. If you're starting from scratch, pick a video template or a blank canvas so you have a timeline ready to go. Next, add your video clip to the canvas and select it. You can drag and drop your file into Canva or choose a clip from your uploads or projects. Make sure the clip is actually on the canvas and that it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it and it appears in the timeline below. Now, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search box, type Video Reverser. You may need to scroll down to find it. This app is specifically designed to flip the playback direction of your clip. Click to open it. With the app open, click the Start button. This tells Canva you're ready to process the selected clip with the reversing tool. If prompted, confirm any access the app needs to work with the video you've selected. Then, click Export and let Canva process your video. The processing time depends on the length and resolution of your clip, so shorter videos will finish faster. Keep the tab open and avoid navigating away while it works to ensure a smooth export. After processing completes, you'll see the option to apply the effect. Find the Reverse Video button within the app settings and click it. This flips the playback from end to beginning, creating that classic reverse motion look. Keep in mind, reversing affects movement and timing, and depending on your clip, it may also reverse the sound as part of the video. Once the effect is applied, click Add to Design. Canva will place the reverse clip onto your project so it's ready to use alongside your other elements. You'll see it appear on the canvas and timeline, just like any normal video asset. If you brought in the same clip earlier, you'll now have both versions available, the original and the reverse, so you can position them wherever you want in your sequence. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.